Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the oligopoly. What is oligopoly? Oligopoly is a market situation wherein number of producers of a commodity is so small that every seller has the predictable effect on the other and influence the market. For example, cold drink industry, automobile industry, steel industry, etc. Means now we discuss the feature. In oligopoly, there is a few seller. There are very few seller in oligopoly market. The number of seller is so small that each and every seller is affected by the activities of other, and each producer have the substantial portion of output in the industry. Therefore, it poses a large degree of monopoly power. Next, interdependence. The most important characteristic features of the oligopoly is interdependence among its firms. The number of sellers is small in this market. Each of these firms contribute a significant portion of the total sale. As a result, when any of them undertaken and any measure to promote its sale, it directly affected other firms. They also immediately react. Hence, every firm decide its policy after taking into consideration the possible reactions its rival firm. Thus, every firm affected by the activities of other firm and it is affected the other also. This is the interdependence of firm. Now, intermediates of demand curve. In oligopolistic market, when firm lower then down the price of promote its sell, it affect other firm also. A reaction rival firm also start reducing their price. In this situation, the first firm may not be able to increase its sale as much as it had assumed of the at the time of reducing the price. How much would be the increase in the demand for its product? When a firm reduces its price depend on the reaction of the rival firm. Since it is difficult to estimate the probable reaction of rival firm, the demand curve faced by the oligopolistic firm is intermediate, therefore it can't safe. Next, group behavior. Sometime in oligopolistic market, the firm enter into the coalitions and work as a group. Through this arrangement, these firms try to maximize their earning. But sometimes it's seen that particular firm break this arrangement in order to increase its share. Then these firms start to work independently. We cannot say anything with certainty in oligopoly whether the firm would work as a group through the mutual agreement or they would act as interdependent unit. When they work in interdependent, the price war they might agree on the price which may be profitable to all. Every firm does not disturb this price because of the fear of reaction from the other firm. This situation lead up price rigidity. Next, advertising expenses. It is often seen oligopoly that firm instead of price competition, it take upon non-price competition in order to increase their sale and profit. Under non-price competition, they make use of publicity and selling technique for increasing the sale of their product. This increase their expenditure on the publicity and sale, and this cannot be much beneficial to the society because it ultimate burden fall on the consumer. Next, nature of the product. Oligopoly firm may be a sell homogeneous and heterogeneous product. Some oligopoly firms sell homogeneous products like cement, LPG cylinder, etc. These are the known as pure perfect oligopoly. Some oligopoly firms sell different set of the heterogeneous products like soft drinking, and these are known as impure imperfect oligopoly. Next, very difficult for new firm to enter. Under the oligopoly, generally the new firms only a new firm cannot enter easily in the market because of many reasons like high capital requirement, patent issue, etc. Only those firms enter oligopoly market which are able to cross these barrier. As a result, difficult entry, few exit from unmonopoly in the long run.